Hello everyone, so now let's talk about what is prime and composite number. But before that, let me introduce myself. I am Cherry and Laurencio. You can call me Teacher Cherry. So let's proceed. So what is prime number? So prime number, a number that has only two factors, itself and 1. So prime numbers, all factors are only 1 and itself. So example of prime factors are 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and 17. It is prime numbers because 3, we can only multiply it by 1 times 3. No other numbers can, I know whole numbers we can multiply the number to make 3. So it is prime numbers. So for the composite number, a number that has more than 2 factors, so the examples are 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. So for example, we have 4. We can break down 4 by 1 times 4. Also, 2 times 2. So the factors of 4 is 1, 2, and 4. So prime has only 2 factors, which is itself and 1. So 1 and 3. And for the composite number, has more than 2 factors, which is 1, 2, and 4. So now let's talk about what is prime factorization. So prime factorization breaks down into its prime factors, all the prime numbers that multiply together to equal the original number. So prime factorization numbers multiplied to obtain the original number. Okay, so for example of prime factorization, we have 12. So we can break down 12 by 6 times 2. So 6 times 2 is equals to 12. Since 2 is a prime number, so we can stop it to break down since we cannot continue it up. And 6 is a composite number, so we can continue up. We have 3 times 2. So 3 times 2 equals to 6. So now let's write it up. We have 3 times 2 times 2. So equals 3 times 2, 6. 6 times 2 is equals to 12. So it is correct. So how about 24? Okay, 24. So 2 times 12. So 2 times 12. 2 times 12 is equals to 24. Then, for 12, we can break it down by 6 times 2. So 6 times 2 is equals to 12. Since 2 and 2 is a prime number, so we are done there. And 6, since it is composite number, so we can continue up. So we have 3 times 2 is equals to 6. So let's write it up. So 2 times 2 times 3 times 2 is equals to 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3, 12. 12 times 2 is equals to 24. So we have correct. So 24 is correct. And another, we have 72. So 72. We have 4 times 18 is equals to 72. Since 4 and 18 is a composite, so we can continue up. So 2 times 2 is equals to 4. How about 18? So we have 3 times 6. Since 2, 2 and 3 are prime, so we can stop there. But 6 is a composite, so we have 3 times 2 is equals to 6. So 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 2 is equals to, so let's multiply it. 2 times 2 is equals to 4. 4 times 3, 12. And 12 times 3 is equals to 36. And 36 times 2 is equals to 72. So this is correct. So always remember that prime has only 2 factors, which is itself and 1, while composite numbers has more than 2 factors, which is it will be 3, 4, and so on. So prime factorization, we have a breakdown into its prime factors of all the prime numbers that multiply together to equal the original numbers. So multiply to obtain the original number. So this is what we called the factor tree method. So I hope na minasabtan sa to ang tutorial for today. So, and thank you for listening.